We're at the Port Jervis Substation. This completes construction of a over $35 million project. We replaced the station that was built in the 1920s with a completely new modern substation. Everything in the substation is custom. We had to design every piece of this uniquely for this station due to the 2-yard limited space that we have. The service reliability has increased a few ways. We have redundancy in the transformers here, so we have the ability to back up the system. Many of the circuits are now fed underground out of the substation as opposed to the overhead feeds that were previously here. The O&R system has clean energy being fed in from different suppliers. This opens up an avenue for that. We work to provide a good amount of landscaping. Many of the species that you'll see here are pollinator friendly and bird friendly to bring the environment back into the area. We couldn't ask for a better city to work with, and we couldn't ask for better neighbors.